morning. Let's continue our discussion regarding module 4, that is trees. Last class we are going to discuss what are trees and what are the ways you can store the trees on the memory, or different storing technologies to store your trees on the memory we discussed in the last class. Okay. Now there we want to see the properties of the trees also. Okay. Now today's we are going to discuss regarding what are the different types of binary trees are there. Okay. Binary in the sense each node it consists of maximum of 2 nodes, okay, or 2 children. Okay. Relationship between the siblings, okay, node, parent child relationship, everything are discussed in the previous class. Now today we are going to discuss the types of binary tree. Okay. In that one, first one is binary tree or fully binary tree. Okay. Strictly binary tree or fully binary tree we have the first thing. Okay. What do you mean by strictly binary tree or fully binary tree? Okay. A binary tree which have 2 to the power I nodes, okay, we are having 2 power I nodes in any given level I called strictly binary tree. Okay, here what happens in the sense, see, in each node, okay, each level either a tree should consist of 0 or 2 number of nodes. Okay, at each level, see, this is my ith level 1. Okay, see, level 0th level this is. Okay, 0th level. Okay, I want to give one level here. Level. See, this is 0th level. See, 0th level. What the strictly binary tree or complete binary tree says that one instance, at any level it may be. Okay, each node consists of 0 or 2 number of children. Okay, see, okay, assume this is my A. A is the node. At the 0th level, how many number of nodes here? 0 number. Okay, 0 number of children are here. Okay, this is 0th level. Okay, either it is a strictly binary tree. Yes. Now we are going to check that one. B. Okay, this is my level 1. Either now it is a complete binary tree. At 0th level, it should consist of 0 or 2. Check out that one. It having only 1 children. You can't consider this one as strictly binary tree or complete binary tree. When it should consist of minimum of 0 or 2 number of nodes. Now you are going to check that one. See, at the 0th level, I having one node, it having 2 children, accepted. At the level 1, see, B and C are the nodes. B having 0 or 2. Check out that one. 0 or 2. No, it is having 0. Fine. C having 0 or 2. Yes. C having 0 children. Now it is complete binary tree. See, simple. Now we are checking that one. See, this is the level 2. Okay. What it says? A strictly binary tree is also called fully binary tree or complete binary tree. Okay. If it having each level it having 0 or 2 number of nodes. Each node consists of 0 or 2 number of nodes. Okay. Now checking that one, either it is complete binary tree or not. See, level 0. How many nodes are there? 2 nodes are there, accepted. Level 1, how many nodes are there? B having 2 nodes, accepted. C having 1 node. Now it is not a strictly binary tree. Okay, it is not a strictly binary tree. When it is strictly binary tree, see, now it becomes strictly binary tree. Okay, simple. At every node, at the leaf node, it should consist of 0 or 2 number of leaves. That is called as strictly binary tree. Okay, see, this is the first answer. Simple. Okay, simple. See, other than the leaf node, it's having 2 children. Other than the leaf nodes, 0 or 2 nodes it should consist of. Now, next concept come across, skew tree. Okay, skew tree. What do you mean by skew tree in the sense? Okay, it will be prolongs to the one level. Okay, skew tree are considered only consist of left subtrees or right subtrees. Okay, skew tree consists of only left subtrees or right subtrees. See, A, B, C. Now this is called as left skew tree. See, the tree will be prolongs or it's having children only towards the left, not right. Okay, left skew tree. Now second one, see, if having only towards right. Okay, that is called as right skew tree. skew tree in the sense, okay, a skew tree is a tree consisting of only left subtree or right subtree. Okay, it consists of only the left subtree will be only it consists of left or only it consists of right. Okay, the tree will grows towards the left only or grows towards the right only. That is called as skew tree. It grows towards the left in the sense we are going to call it as left skew tree. If it grows towards the right, it is called as, okay, right skew tree. Okay, that is the second type of binary tree. Next one is complete binary tree. Okay, complete binary tree. Okay, it's simple. Okay, don't confuse with the, okay, strictly binary tree and complete binary tree. See, complete binary tree is a binary tree. Okay, complete binary tree is a binary tree. See, except possible, the last level is completely filled. See, okay, in the strictly binary tree, all last level it should be filled. Okay, every node should consist of 0 or 2 number of nodes. Okay, every level it consists of 0 or 2 number of nodes. But complete binary tree is a tree where the last level need not be filled. Okay, need not be filled. Check out that how it going to run in sense. See, A. Okay, which level it is? It is 0th level. Okay, 0th level. See, B having the left child. Check out that one. Either it is completely binary or not in sense. See, it should fill from left to right. It should be filled from left to right. See, note down the definition of that one. See, except positive. Okay, see, a complete binary tree is a binary tree in which every level except the possibly the last level is completely filled. If the nodes in the last levels are not completely filled, then all the nodes in the leaf should be filled only from left to right. Okay, see, except the last level, okay, every node, every level it should fill with the value. If the last level is not filled in sense, it should fill from left to right, not right to left. Okay, what it means? See, A and B, see, this is my level 1. This is my level 1. Okay, this is complete binary tree. Yes, it is strictly binary tree also, it is complete binary tree also. Only difference is that one. See, at the last level. Okay, now it goes to the level 2 now. Okay, see, it fill from C. Okay, either it is completely binary tree, check off that one. Level 0 completely filled. Okay, level 1 completely filled. Level 2 is not completely filled, but it should fill from left to right. Check off that one. Last level it should not fill with, okay, it should not also, it should not fill also, it's considered as a complete binary tree, but it fill from left to right. Okay, B, C, now it becomes D. Either it is complete binary tree, yes, why? Because it will start filling from left to right. Okay, now it is going to extend. See, F is there, it's complete binary tree, yes. If instead of F it is moved toward, it's having at right side, left side is empty in sense, I can't consider this one as the complete binary tree. I can't consider this one as the complete binary tree. That is the difference between, okay, strictly binary tree and complete binary tree. See, in this strictly binary tree, all nodes should fill. Okay, means it fill, and that each level. Okay, what it means in sense. See, at level 1, each node consists of 0 or 2 number of nodes. 0 is there, or 2 numbers should be there. See, 1, each node consists of 0 or 2 number of nodes. Okay, so at level 2. Each node consists of 0 or 2 number of nodes. Check out that one. D, E, F and G are all the nodes having 0 nodes. 0 children. But complete binary tree, what happens? See, at each level it is going to check out of that one. See, at the last level it allowed to partially fill. At the last level it allows to the partial fill, but it should fill from left to right. It should fill from left to right. See, this is not a complete binary tree. If I am having from left. See, since even though the last level is not filled, but it should fill from left to right, on the time it becomes complete binary tree. Complete binary tree. I hope you understand these things. Okay. See, only difference between fully binary tree and complete binary tree in sense. In fully binary tree, all nodes should fill with 0. Sorry, all level nodes should fill with 0 or 2 children. Okay. But in complete binary tree, last level is allowed to the partially filled. Last level of the tree will allow to the partially filled, but it should fill from left to right. Okay, these are the things. Next we will come across, okay, an expression tree. See, what is an expression tree? I want to tell you. Welcome back. See, now next topic is that is expression tree. Okay, what do you mean by expression tree? See, then expression tree is an binary tree which follows these three rules. Okay, these three rules. First one is leaf. Leaf is an operand. Leaf node should be an operand, and root or intermediate nodes is an operator, and that subtree will be then sub expression for an any given tree. Okay, tree expressions. Okay, a subtree represent the sub expression with the root. Okay, subtree represent the sub expression. See how it works. Okay, see how to represent your expression tree. See, I am having expression over here, a plus of b minus c, okay, whole multiplied with e plus f whole divided by g. See, follow the Bodmer's rules over here. See what it says, leaf is an operand. Okay, leaf is an operand. If you solve this one, which things comes under first? That is b minus c. Okay, parenthesis. According to the Bodmer's rule, parenthesis come first. Okay, b c minus. B C minus, B C minus, that is first thing. Okay, now if you solve that one, okay, see, according to our definitions, leaf should be an operand, B and C is an operand. Okay, root or intermediate node should be an operator. See, minus is an operator here. See, B C comes first. Next, E F is there. Okay, I taken E F separately, E F that having the plus symbol, okay, written separately. Okay, see, after these two, see, according to the Bodmer's rule, okay, which things first comes first in sense, okay, before multiplication it having the division symbol. Okay, it having the division symbol. See, I written division symbol there and division with G. Okay, now after that, okay, see, after seeing this one, see, all this result will be multiplied with this one. Okay, see that one, this results are multiplied with this. Okay, now a star will come into the picture in between these two, star. Okay, star coming in between these two. Now after that one, okay, it having the plus symbol. Okay, plus a plus of all this, a plus of all this. Okay, this is the way to write the expression tree. Okay, this is the way to write the expression tree. See, in the expression tree, leaf is an operator. Okay, leaf is an operand. See that one, B, C, E, F, G, these are the operands. Okay, root or intermediate nodes is an operator. Okay, root or intermediate nodes is an operator, and subtree is an sub expression. See that one. See, for plus, left, okay, it having a left subtree as b minus c. Okay, b minus c is an sub expression for plus. Okay, see towards, okay, if you come across, okay, this one instance, see here, okay, e plus f whole divided by g, this is a sub expression for the g, right? Okay, right sub expression of the okay, star node is that, okay, b plus of f whole divided by g. Okay, see like that. See, intermediate node will be comes under this. Okay, see, the subtree represents operand. Okay, root node or intermediate node are operator. Subtree comes under a sub expression. Each subtree should consist of some sub expression. Okay, last one is binary search tree. Okay, binary search tree. Okay, very important. Binary search tree. Okay, a binary search tree is a tree in which, okay, a binary search tree is a tree in which each node, say x, in the tree, the element of the left sub expression is less than the x, and the element at the right expression is the greater than the x. Okay, what do you mean by that one instance? See, in the binary search tree, okay, see each element, okay, see which are elements. Okay, I consider that one as x. Okay, see one element come, okay, root. Okay, see outside of that one, this is my root, this is my root. Okay, in any element, okay, any element, okay, assume that one n. Okay, n is greater than x in the sense it comes towards right. Okay, element which is less than, okay, less than that one in sense it comes towards p. Okay, p should be less than x and n should be greater than okay, greater than x. N is greater than x and p is less than x. Okay. See, in the binary search tree or the tree, okay, in which each node say x in the tree, element in the left subtree are less than the info of x and element at the right subtree are the greater than info of x. Okay. See, which are the elements comes towards the left, it should be greater than, less than x, which are the elements comes towards the right are greater than x. Okay. This is the binary search tree. See, go with one example. See, assume I want to take on one example. Say, these are my elements, okay, represent these elements inside the binary search tree. Okay, insert the value to the binary search tree. Okay, before I say that one, see, I taken the first element as the root node, a first element of the root node. Okay, see, now this is my root node, the elements come across after this. Okay, if it is greater than the root node, it goes towards the right. If it is less than the root node, in a sense it comes towards the left of the tree. Okay. See, 50, 60 come into the picture. Okay. 50 is greater than, 60 is greater than 50. See, it moves towards the right side. It moves towards the right side. Okay. See, 50 is the root node, first element, it considers as a root node. See, next element comes under here is 60. It is greater than the 50, for that reason it moves towards the right side. Next we having 40. 40 is less than the 50. It's checked from root only. This is my root. This is my root node. Check that one. 40. 40 is less than the 50. It comes under the less than the 50. For that reason, it comes towards the right side of the root node. Okay. Now see, now next element is 30. Next element is 30. Simple. Less than 50, yes, move towards left. Okay, less than 40, yes, it moves towards left. Inserted over here. Inserted over here. Now we having 45. 45. Less than 50, yes. Less than 40, no, it is greater than 40. Where it is supposed to go? Move towards right of it. Move towards right of it. Now we are having 65. Now we are having 65. Okay. See, greater than 50, yes. Greater than 60, yes. Move towards right. Now 55. Okay. Greater than 50, yes. Greater than 60, no. Move towards left of it. Lastly, 80. Greater than 50, yes. Greater than 60, yes. Greater than 65, yes. Move towards. Okay. This is the way to represent your elements. Okay. Insert the elements into the binary search tree. Insert the element into the binary search tree. Simple. Simple. In the binary search tree, each and every element. Okay. See, elements are accepted. See, a first element will be considered as an root node. First element is considered as a root node. Okay, after that one, which are the elements comes after the root node, checking after the values. Okay, values over there. If the element is greater than the root node, it moves towards the right. If the elements are lesser than the root node instance, it moves towards the left side of it. Okay, info of root node. Okay, it depends on the info of the root node. Okay. This is binary search tree. These are the different types of tree, that is strictly binary tree, skew tree, complete binary tree and expression tree and binary search tree. I recap that one. See, first one is strictly binary tree or complete binary tree. Okay, strictly binary tree or complete binary tree, where each and every levels of the levels, a tree should consist of 0 or 2 nodes strictly. Okay, at each and every levels, okay, each node should consist of 0 or 2 nodes. Okay, that is strictly binary tree. Skew tree, in sense it moves towards only the left or it moves towards the right. Okay, see a tree which having only the left children are called as left skew tree. The node, okay, the trees which having only the right children are called as right skew tree. Okay, that is the skew tree. Next one is complete binary tree. Okay, complete binary tree are the binary tree in which okay, it is a binary tree in which, see, at each level you should fill, okay, it fill with all the values except the last node, except the last level. See, the last level should fill from left to right. Last level should be filled from left to right. Okay. Next one is an expression tree. In the expression tree, okay, leaf nodes are operand. Okay, and see the leaf node is an operand, and in between nodes are called as operator. Okay, operators. How to write that one we discussed. And binary search tree is a tree where on the basis of, okay, root values, if the values, okay, if the value greater than the info of the root node, it move towards the right. The next value, the value is lesser than the info, okay, value of the root node instance, it moves towards left. Okay, greater than right side, less than left side. Okay, this is binary search tree. Okay, next, okay, how to insert that one instance? See, check off that one. Okay, a value come into the picture 50 taken as a root, 60 come into the picture instance. Check out that one, either the right side of the node is free. Okay, see, it move towards the right. Okay, moves towards the right, otherwise create a node and insert the value of 60. 40 come into the picture, move to the left, no element is there in sense, create the node, insert the value there, like that it moves on. 30, okay, less than 50, yes, less than 40, yes, okay, left side no node is there in sense, create a node and insert the 30, like that it goes on. Okay, these are the different types of binary tree. Okay, these different types of binary trees. Okay, thank you. Okay, welcome back. See, the next topic is binary tree traversal. Okay, binary tree traversal. What do you mean by binary tree traversal in sense? See, visiting each and every node of the tree at least once. Visiting each and every node of the tree at least once are called as traversing. In the traversing, okay, the info of the node, okay, info of the node may printed, okay, may process for some reasons. Okay, info of the, usually it will to printed. Okay, which node visited, we are going to print those things. Okay, here we having three types of, okay, traversing, that is pre-order, post-order and in-order. Pre means what? Previously. Okay, previously. If you process the node previously before traversing to the left and right, that is called as pre-order. See, node will be processed first, later on it traverses to the left and later on it traverses to the right. Okay, that is called as pre-order. Post means what? Afterwards. Okay, post means what? Afterwards. See, visit the left node first, okay, traverse the left node first and right node next. Okay, later on you are going to process with the node, that is called as post order traversing. Okay, last one is in order. Okay, in between, in order. Okay, traverse to the left and process the node and traverse to the right. Okay, that is called as in order traversing. See how actually it happens. Okay, see here having node left, right. Okay, node left, right, the things are there. See, in the pre-order, see, initially, okay, one means it is going to process for first time, that is node. Okay, if the node information encounter in sense, it is going to print the value. You are going to print the value and later on it traverses to the left and later on it traverses to the right. Okay, see, node visited first and process, later on it traverses to the left and later on it traverses to the right. That is pre-order, traversing. Okay, now the post order traversing. Okay, post order traversing. See what happens here in sense, post order. Okay, see, post instance later on it moves. Okay, it traverses the left node first. Okay, left node first and right node next and traverse to the, okay, and traverse to the node and process the things. Okay, traverse left first, right next and root node. Okay, right node, that is, okay, post order traversing. In order traversing here, see, here you having left first, node next and right next. Okay, see, it traverses to the left. Okay, Next it process with the node and it going to process with the root node. It process with the root node. Okay. See how actually it happens. Okay. See assume. See I having a tree. A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Okay, this is my tree. Okay, what is the value I going to obtain when you traversing in order, pre-order, post-order traversing? See, listen here. See, okay, in the pre-order I going to traverse these things and return the results over there. Okay, how? Okay, having a systematic method to traverse this one. Okay, I will explain in the next video. See, I taken one example over here. See A. See, first visit the node. When node encounters, print the value. Okay, A visited and printed the value A. Now after node it traverses to the left. Left is there? Yes. Left is there? Yes. Okay. See node left. Okay. See once left is encounter. Okay. Once left is encounter, it starts with once again from the node. Okay. Root. Okay. Initial itself. Okay. It going to encounter and printed B there. Next it encounter D. See traverse left side and encounter the D and goes back. Okay. This is over. See I going to return one method over here. See, I going to return NLR. Okay, simple NLR. I going to return everywhere NLR. Simple NLR. See here. See, this is one of the easiest method. See, it may consumes time, but you won't miss off the process. Okay, node left, right. Okay, nothing else. Okay, simple. Check out. See, okay. Node is encountered, yes. Okay, node is encountered in sense you supposed to print the value. Okay, now left is encountered, yes. Control comes to here. Okay, node is encountered, yes. Cancel that one. Print the B. Okay, left is there, yes. Traverse. Okay, node is encountered, yes. Print the D. Okay, node. Okay, left is there, no. Right is there, no. Goes back. Okay, it is a recursion method. Okay, see right is there, yes. Encountered, go to E. Okay, E, node encountered, yes. Printed, print the value E there. Okay, next left is there, no. Right is there, no. Okay, go back. Okay, here is also over. Okay, here right is not encountered so far. Okay, see R. Okay, traverse to the R, it moves to the C. Okay, node encounter, print the C. Okay, left is there, yes. Move to the left. Okay, node is there, yes. Print the F. Okay, left is there, no. Right is there, no. Okay, right is there, yes. Okay, node encounter G. Okay, this is the okay pre-order traversing of the tree. Pre-order traversing of this tree. Okay, this is one of the easiest method. See, I want to tell okay how to encounter in the post order. Okay, for the given tree, post order is left, right, node. Okay, write down left, right, node. For each and every node, you supposed to write that one left, right, node. Okay, fine. See, it visible. I think so. See, post order. See, when the node encounters, is supposed to print. Otherwise, don't print that one. Left is there, clash with that one. Okay, move to the left. Here, left is there. Yes, move to the left. Left is there, no. Right is there, no. Node encounter, yes. Okay, print D first. Next, goes back. Okay, traversing, goes back. Okay, right is there, yes. Encounter. Okay, see, left is there, no. Right is there, no. Node encounter, yes. Print E. Okay, go back from where it comes from, B. Okay, encounter, okay, node, yes. Print B. Okay, go back. right is there, yes, okay, comes to C, okay, left is there, yes, come to F, left is there, yes, right is there, no, node is there, yes, encounter node F, let's go back, okay, C, right is there, yes, go to right, left is there, no, right is there, no, node encounter, yes, it returns with G, it returns with G, goes back, node encountered, yes, returns with C, returns with C, okay, now encounter with node A. This is the post order traversing of the tree, post order traversing of the tree, okay. Last one, that is pre-order. Okay, see, once you practice, okay, you can return without writing these things, but till practice, okay, follow this one. This is one of the easiest method. Left node right, left node right, left node right, left node right, okay, everywhere, left node right, left node right, every node you supposed to write that one, okay. For leaf node, if you not written, also not a issue, but in between nodes you are supposed to write this one, okay. Left node right, okay. See, in the in order traversing is left node right, okay. Left is there, yes, traverse to left, okay. Now B, left is there, yes, traverse to D, okay. D, left is there, no, node encountered, yes, return the node value D, okay. Now right is there, no, goes back, node encounter B, return the B, okay. Now right is there, yes, okay. Once you encountered, okay, close that value, okay. E, okay, left is there, no, node encountered, yes, E, okay, right is there, no, goes back, from where it comes from, A, node encountered, yes, write down A here, okay. Right is there, yes, traverse to right, okay. Left is there, yes, traverse to left, left is there, no, node is there, yes, right is there, no, okay, fine. Node encountered F, okay, goes back, node encountered, yes, return C, right is there, yes, comes to here, left is there, no, node is there, yes, return G, okay, right is there, no, close over there, okay. This is the pre-order traversing of the given tree, okay. Simple binary tree traversal. I will explain with the program in the next video. This is the method I just say, okay. See, pre-order, see, priorly, beforely, you are going to encounter with the node, later on it comes with the left and right node, okay. Node, left, right, okay, that is node comes first, left comes, okay, you have to traverse left and later on you are supposed to traverse right. It is a recursive function call, okay. Next, post order traversing, left and right comes first, okay, post means later on, node encounter later on, okay. In order it comes in between the left and right, okay. This is one of the easiest method to traverse, okay. How to write? See, for the given tree, which method you try to traverse, note down those values there, okay. See, start rubbing the things, okay. When you encounter, when left encounter, move towards here, when node encounters, print the value, okay. When the node encounters, print the value, okay. This is binary tree traversing, okay. See, for pre-order, node, left, right, 1, 2, 3, okay. Now in post order, left, right node 1, 2, 3, and post order, okay, that is left node right 1, 2, 3, okay. This is the order you are supposed to follow, okay. Say binary tree traversing, okay. Three methods, okay. Thank you.